Hello everyone, welcome back to Pillars in the Shop YouTube channel. Well, it's been a while since I've seen you guys. I don't think we posted anything probably since November. Nothing going on, just the holidays and January being January, and we just didn't do anything. But now we're back and we're going to pick up hopefully for where we left off. I haven't made any shelves or wall hangings in quite a while. So I want to get back on that. I like making them, and people that see them seem to like them as well. We'll have a couple other projects that we'll be doing as well. A little unique, not so unique that I thought it up myself. It's something I've seen other people do, but I like to do it myself. And one of them I'm gonna work on today. Something else I'll be coming up here pretty quick. Has nothing to do with any of the woodworking and stuff I do. Just stuff we do around here, around the shop and around the place. We're gonna have to put in a new well, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me and let y'all see the process because I'm gonna be learning from it. I've never had a new well put in, and it won't be. I don't think it'll end up being one video. It could be, but it may end up being several. There's gonna be several different processes, of course. Getting the quotes, getting it drilled, running the power, running the water lines, building the containment for it, a shed or something, a closure for it to keep everything out of the elements. And so all that's gonna take a little time. I might edit them all into one video. We'll see how long it'll be. But who knows? But anyway, I'll take y'all along when we do that. The reason why we're doing it because we had our water tested and it's way out of limits. We've been doing it with very good water for quite a while, but we've been putting off the inevitable. There's really no filtering system. An RO, a whole house RO would probably filter it, but they're pretty much maintenance and labor intensive. I worked with ROs for 5 years, and they do a great job, but it's not like a well, you just fire and forget. You go check it every so often just to see if you got a leak inside the enclosure. Other than that, take care of yourself. You'll know when it's not because you won't have any water. But till then, we're going to do regular old stuff, Pillars in the Shop. Ken's going to work on some furniture. I'm going to make some shelving and wall hangings and a few other odd end stuff. And we're going to start right now on one of them. Probably going to start today. It's a little different. And basically, it's going to be a dragonfly made out of different parts of different things. And I'll show you that right now. You can see this is going to be the body of the dragonfly. And that is actually an old kitchen table leg. This here is the part that hooks onto a ceiling fan. And the ceiling fan blades, we got 4 of them done like that. It's some sort of, my wife did it, some sort of like crepe paper. Get another one over here. And they got 4 of them that way. I'm going to take them and put a polyurethane coat on top of them. That should seal them and make them pretty shiny. And we'll put them on the end there, of course, where they come from, and that'll be the wings. The body, I'm going to paint different colors. I'm going to start out with blue, and I got pink, and orange, red, green, black. I'm going to paint the body all kinds of different colors. I think it'll turn out pretty good. It'll be different, but we'll just hang it on the wall around the shop here, and maybe y'all like it, maybe y'all won't, but that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started on it. All right, guys, I got the body painted. I coated polyurethane on it, and I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, it's got a nice blend of colors and all that. Like I said, this is just for giggles and laughs. We're not trying to be that artistic about it. All right, I'm gonna go in there and get started on the wings. All right, so I got the wings laid out in the shop on a piece of cardboard, and this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna paint them with this. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I think it'll be. So let me get that mixed up and get them coated, and I'll come back and show you guys how they turn out. All right, guys, so I've got the body of the dragonfly painted as good as I'm gonna paint it. I've got the wings sealed with a lacquer, just try to protect them a little bit. So I'm going to assemble them, and let me show it to you real quick. There's the body. I think it turned out all right. The wings, they're pretty good. They'll be okay. But I'm going to assemble them. I'm going to put the wings on real quick. I ain't going to make you sit through that because it may take me a while. I got to find the holes in the fan blades. Excuse me. I gotta find the holes in the fan blades because they covered up now with all that paper mache. But let me do that. Let me get them mounted, and I'll come back before I put the head on it. Let y'all see how far along we're getting. So just stand by. You'll see me back here in your time in just a second. My time be a little while. All right, guys, I got the wings on. Have a look, see what you think. Not too bad. Didn't take but about 30 minutes or so. So now I'm gonna add a head to it, some antennae, and maybe a stinger. They didn't even have stingers, but they did have a funny looking tail on it. We'll try to add something on there as well, see how it looks. I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, this is the finished product, my rendition of a Dragonfly made out of odds and ends and scraps around the shop. Hope you like it. You can see the head up there. It's just a ceramic, I think it's a ceramic knob. And I thought about putting googly eyes on it, but you know what? I'm not trying to exactly mimic a Dragonfly. This is just using up parts I got in the shop. Just, I don't know, something to do. I like it. Thought maybe y'all like it too. I hope you do. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this. I have another project working on, and soon I hope to have a video out for that. Candace is working on a piece of furniture. I'm working on editing that video. Hopefully that's gonna come out. We're trying to get back in the swing of things here and get y'all some content. So hope y'all like, subscribe, comment on our videos, and till we see you then. Next time, guys.